Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start with essentials. Update the Ps5 system software so the network drivers are current, because old firmware can block wired negotiation. Next, plug a Cat5e or Cat6 cable into the router and into the Ps5 LAN port. Firm physical contact matters. You should feel a click. Once done, power on the console and leave the controller alone. Wired Ethernet is independent from Bluetooth, so you avoid pairing issues, while the console acquires an IP address. You now configure the Ps5 network. Go to Settings, Network, then set up Internet connection and choose LAN cable. Select Automatic for IP address and DHCP hostname so the router assigns values. This speeds setup and avoids address conflicts. Once the automatic test runs, check NAT type and download speed. If you need port forwarding or a strict NAT workaround, switch to manual and enter a static IP and DNS. Make sure router settings match to prevent routing failures. Finish by running test internet connection and confirm the Ps5 shows a valid IP, acceptable speeds, and NAT type. Open is ideal for multiplayer. If the test fails, first reset the Ethernet cable and try another router port. Then reboot both router and Ps5 to clear transient errors. If problems persist, inspect router-level blocks like MAC address filtering or parental controls, and consider assigning a static IP or updating router firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.